Welcome to Outerbike 2021, our 11th annual event here in Moab, Utah. We are live here with Chuck Ibis, helping their brand to celebrate their 40th anniversary. Mr. Ibis himself is going to give you a little background and let you guys know what's new and what you can maybe see and touch and experience out here at the Moab brand trails.
Thanks, Mark. Probably the number one thing to talk about would be our new Exie bike, and that is a bike that we make down in our new factory down in Watsonville, just below Santa Cruz, California, where our main headquarters is. And this is a big deal for us. It's been a project we've been working on for 7-8 years, something like that, and 100% made in Santa Cruz / Watsonville bicycle. Our factory is all solar powered, and we're actually feeding the grid beyond what we need to build these bikes. We really set the bar high on this bike. So this bike comes in on a high-end group weighing about 22.5 pounds, which is pretty light for a dual suspension bike these days. This bike happens to have 100 millimeters of rear wheel travel and 120 up front, and we've got some beautiful hidden cable routing on this bike, and the suspension is a DW Link suspension, which is what we feature on every one of our bikes. The lower links are all run on bushings, which have proven to be very, very lightweight and very, very reliable. It's got clearance for 2.4 tires, and this is definitely a cross-country bike, and we call it the Exie. It's an Exie bike, and it was our code name, but then we just ended up calling it the Exie. I started the company in 1981, and so 2021 is 40 years of being in business. Industrial design work by Roxy, who is one of our partners in the business. This is the Ripmo. Probably our most popular bike right now. This bike has 147 mils of rear wheel travel and 160 up front. It's a great enduro bike, slack, and can take a real beating.